Hello, welcome at the Brizzy vlog. Today we're going to unbox Funkos again. And today we're talking about the mummy. Not the mummy of 2017, but of course 1999. We're going to start with Evelyn. Evelyn is played by Rachel Weisz, which was also in Black Widow. Just so you know. So Evelyn Carnahan is the first one of the lineup. No, I'm lying, that's Rick. But for us, for our video, it's Evelyn. Her hair is like so cool on the back side. I'm sorry. So she's holding a torch. Would be very cool if she was holding a book as well, but she isn't. Oh, there's no stand. Yeah, she smooched. She's a sec. Okay, she's not smooched anymore. Let's try again. So she's holding a torch. Go to turn here.
Oh, she's little earring.
Yeah. And there she is. I'm gonna put her right here. And Emotep. Emotep has a mouth.
A very big mouth.
A very big mouth. Humongous mouth. And also no, I think it's from the part where Rick looks at him. Or the part where he's trying to kiss Evelyn. And then he's, I think it's that because there's sand around him. Because he turns into sand to get into Evelyn's room when he kisses her, and then he has that mouth.
Hey! Get your ugly face off of her! Look at I got.
You alright?
Go to turn him.
He has a detailed mouth from Funko.
You have all the Funkos they could create for the mummy. They chosen this, but then again, I don't know how you would make like a mummy. How that would look like in the Funko, as a Funko, I mean. So, you know, I like this one. It's not a bobblehead, but I just wanted to pat it on the head.
I think only the Marvel ones have bobbleheads.
I think so, yeah.
Maybe the Star Wars.
Don't know.
Yeah, well, because all the Mandalorians are bobbleheads.
Oh yeah, that's true. So, here we've got Emotep. Emotep. And my favorite. Yay! I'm so happy.
Of course it's your favorite.
Yeah. Also, I would never let this. Some people let you know, they let their Funko signed by an actor. I don't think I ever will.
No, I want to have a signed photograph.
Yeah, signed maybe, or maybe something else, but not the Funko.
You got a signed photograph.
Yeah. That's why I'm so smiling so much when I see Brendan. So here we got Brendan. Oh, nope, we got Rick. I also think this is the first ever Funko of Brendan Fraser. Not sure though, because no George Jungle. Don't know. Haven't looked on it yet. Yeah. Here is Rick. Rick has a sword. He only gets that in the end though. So he's swordless for the whole movie, except for the end. But he's holding it. And I love his outfit. I also like Evie's outfit, but Evie is from like the beginning of the movie. And Rick's outfit is, I think, on the half of the movie.
Oh, but they match.
Yeah, they match, but still. She's wearing a black dress during the movie. So I'm going to just put them away a little bit. Because I want to show another Funko. This one is not from the Mummy, but he's connected to the Mummy because he's in The Mummy Returns. And he has his own, you know...
It's a Scorpion
King. It's also not Scorpion King, it's Jungle Cruise. Which, duh. Don't you think Jungle Cruise was the Mummy? In some way? I think in some way. Like this was Emily Blunt. And this was Dwayne Johnson. Oh! He's like, oh no! Am I? Yes. So here we got Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson as Frank.
I also thought it was a Pirates of the Caribbean fight.
Yeah. Pirates of the Caribbean, Indiana Jones-ish. And then...
But I really loved it. It's like, it was like such a good movie for so long.
Yeah.
It felt like a real, yeah. After all the Disney remakes from the last several years, it was like, oh, finally, it's something new again.
Yeah, it was like an adventure. Like, I don't know if everything has to be politically correct every time.
Yeah, but also not a story you know. It was like completely new.
Yeah. Only, where is Emily's? Where is Jack? No Jack Whitehall. No Emily Blunt. Only Dwayne. Does Dwayne have a secret?
I also wanted a Rosita.
Yeah, or Proxima. Proxima.
Or the little blue man, but I don't know.
I forgot his name. I only know that the bird always says, Franco is my money. Nico?
Maybe.
Nilo. I don't know. No, maybe I sound very wrong now. I'm like very stupid. Like, is it Milo? Nilo. Mr. Nilo? Yeah. I would love to have a little Funko of Mr. Little Blue Man. I just want this hat. Okay, I'm going to turn him now. Every time when I'm thinking about Frank, when I see this Funko, I'm like, Franco is me money. Don't know why. For some reason, it's always there. That little sentence. Now I want this chase where he has like this little Rosita. Yeah.
I hope they will bring out more.
I want Proxima.
Proxima.
Proxima. There we go. For some reason Emotep is like on the other side, but yeah.
It also looks like the Funko from Jumanji.
I think it's just the same mold, and then, you know.
Just some other clothes. Or other paint.
Yeah.
Oh, they're cute. Yes, I like them.
So, Natasha, what is your favorite Funko?
I like Rick and Evelyn. Very much. I want to like Frank, but I think he's too random. I don't know how to explain. Like,
well, as you see on the box, it's the only existing Funko.
Yes, but it doesn't scream
Frank. Doesn't scream Jungle Cruise.
No.
I would think that...
I want one, they have like one, maybe I can put a photo up. They have like Mickey in the Jungle Cruise boat. I think if they replace Mickey with a Frank, that would be awesome.
Proxima?
Yes. Yes.
That's what I wanted to say.
Yes, but maybe you can put a photo of the one.
If I can find it, yes. It's an exclusive, right?
Yeah, and I was like at the Comic Con like, oh, I'm going to buy them both, and then for some reason I have to get Mickey out and him in, but I think I will destroy all the Funkos.
I don't think you will, I don't think you will get Mickey out of there like completely.
Yeah, and I don't think I will get the result I want.
But then again, the boat is different.
I don't care.
What's it called again? Anyways, it doesn't have that thing on the top of the
yes,
roof.
okay, but I think that would be a much better one.
Well, my favorite
okay,
is not you.
I know what it is. And if it's not, I'm going to eat my shoe.
Okay, it's iemand heb. Eat your shoe. No. Yes, it's Rick. And always will be Rick. And yes, it's Rick.
Okay, here's Rick.
Yeah.
Those two are so cute together.
Yeah. But Rachel Weisz is married to Daniel Craig. So, no, they're not cute together. No.
She married with James Bond.
Yeah, she's married with James Bond. Didn't you know that?
No.
Now you know. He is not married at the moment. But I do hope he will find somebody. Yeah. Because that other one is a... His ex-wife is not nice. So, okay, just sleep. Wake up! Wake up! Stay there. Okay. So, leave a comment if you've bought any of these Funkos. If you're going to. Or why not.
Or tell us just which ones are in your wish list.
Yeah. I want to say, tell us if you don't like them or not going to buy them. Yeah, so consider subscribing. Leave a like. And we will see you next time.
Bye bye!